service. This call may be recorded or monitored for training purposes.
Thank you for calling the Microsoft 362. My name is Vivek. Netflix Center Kix. I need your name.
I want to know what happened to the plans they sent you.
Hello?
I want to know what happened to the plans they sent you.
What happened to the plan that they sent you? Sorry, sir.
I want to know what happened to the plans they sent you.
Okay, sir. I'm really sorry, sir. Are you trying to call the Microsoft?
That is correct.
Okay, sir. For now, sir, can I have your first name, please?
Captain Lita.
Sorry, sir.
Captain Lita.
Ethan.
That is correct.
It's E for Echo, T for Triangle, H for Hotel,